Hello, in front of me I've got NOKIA G42. In this video I'll show you how to connect pendrive to your smartphone. In the beginning, make sure that your pendrive has a USB-C stick and then simply plug it to charging port. Now, most probably you will have to format your pendrive, but I won't do it because I've got files on it. And after you format it, go to Files app, browse, and your pendrive will be visible under the internal storage. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.